Hey guys, I'm going to see my parents again tomorrow after 260 and 4 days. I'm super nervous right now. I'm going to surprise them because I told them I cannot come to the airport because it's really late when they arrive. It's going to be interesting. Right now I'm feeling like I don't want to leave because when my parents come it's a big step and back to Germany. Because, I mean, they stay here for the weekend, but then we have to go. We go on vacation on the road trip to Florida. It's time to say goodbye. Today was my last day of school, so I already had to say goodbye to some friends. I had to cry when we had our last tennis match on Tuesday. I really feel like I don't want to leave. I want to stay here, but I have to leave.